Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular YouTube channel video making a short purpose, how you can adding for thumbnails. So here I'm adding for one of the images called Hadikar Carbon Cleaning Services in Hyderabad. This is called we can using will be Canva. Any kind of image design purpose we can using for Instagram story option will be here. So the image will be designed. What are the image you can add by here that we can using for the PNG option. So that you can utilize will be here. What are the image you can using will be here. So the preview will be designed by the particular PNG option. So that PNG we can add it by the in a particular image we can use the by option like here. Just give me seconds. So I'm selecting two PNG images like this. What are the machine you can utilize will be here and add your logo option. So what are the video specification? Add your text. We can use will be different sizes are here. And so who we can providing for services, what are the phone number they will use will be here. The phone number you can update by in your particular option. So you can updating for phone number, you can update will be here. All this you can go for calculator, go will be in a calculator option will be here. After that, any PNG image we can show to the particular customers. What are the image you can most of the people will be adding purpose. So that will be using will be here is the option. So here is it. So I'm not using for complete picture. I'm using only for small picture. RE carbon cleaning services. So this image I mean design will be particular YouTube short purpose. This reel will be helping for particular short and everything will be important will be mandatory field. So here, what is the hydraulic machine? You can give it a small option. So we can add it, the image will be here. Now click this image you can download will be using JPG format. So any kind of YouTube short thumbnail purpose, you can design. The size will be 1080 by 920 pixel. You can download it on using Canva option. So interview question, can I add the custom thumbnail on YouTube Shorts? Yes, it will accepting 100% on custom thumbnail option. So what are the options you can utilize? So that option you can use it and download will be here is the option. So if anything will be missing the phone number or anything will be missing, you can add by the phone number also will be here. So what are the phone number you have? You can add by the phone number also will be accepting your particular things. So who are looking for particular services, they always helping for August traders to increase your car mileages and your complete car pickup and everything. The providing for service will be here. So I'm adding with your particular phone number. So you can add your effect. or else we can use an element. You can use your call symbol. Anything will be, which is the free one. You can use the free one will be here. So which is a free one? You can utilize the free one also will be applicable. So yeah, symbol will be little bit big, a little bit big the symbol. Always remember what are the particular size you maintain, that you can use this particular option. Now click this, add on your JPG and download it. This image will be YouTube short purpose. The size will be 1080 into 1920 pixel. We can utilize for YouTube short purpose. How to add? We can check the each and every video into my channel will be there. Follow the my channel videos. You get the complete information into the my channel option. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, and comment any kind of questions on your particular YouTube short purpose. Thank you so much.